Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you will be fine. This is 20th lecture of your science factor book, unit 4, food and diet. Today our topic is oils and fats and good hygiene. Open your book on page number 32. Here is what is a balanced diet. यानी balanced diet क्या है? Your body needs all the special things that you have learned about, but it is important to have the right amount of everything. यानी right amount लेनी चाहिए हर चीज़ की. Amount mean मिकदार. Having too much of one and not enough of the other is not healthy. यानी एक जो आप फूड है वो बहुत ज़्यादा उसमें क्वांटिटी में ले लें और दूसरा कम उसमें कम क्वांटिटी में लें तो ये सेहत के लिए अच्छा नहीं है. यू शुड ईट अ वाइड वैरायटी ऑफ फूड फ्रॉम ऑल द फूड ग्रुप्स. इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट नॉट टू ईट टू मच ऑफ सर्टेन थिंग्स सच एज फैट्स एंड ऑयल्स. यानी बहुत ज़्यादा फैट्स एंड ऑयल वाली चीज़ें नहीं लेनी चाहिए, नहीं खानी चाहिए. एंड सिंपल कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. Look at the food pyramid to guide you. Look this one. This will guide you and you will understand. Every day your diet should include. यानी हर रोज़ आप लोगों की डाइट में ये इंक्लूड होनी चाहिए. Let's see what are these. Cereals. Cereals में क्या आ जाता है? रोटी, राइस, ब्रेड, पास्ता, etc. These are cereals. This should make up the major part of your meal. यानी ये आप लोगों के डेली डाइट में इंक्लूड होना चाहिए. वेजिटेबल्स एंड फ्रूट्स. वेजिटेबल्स एंड फ्रूट्स should from the second tier. Vegetables and fruits. First cereals and then vegetables and fruits. Then dairy. Dairy products and meat and fish should be eaten in smaller quantity. This one is eaten smaller quantity. Sweets and fats and oils should be eaten in very small amount. इन स्वीट्स, फैट्स एंड ऑयल्स जो हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्मॉल अमाउंट में इंक्लूड होने चाहिए आप लोगों की डाइट में. Now we will do question answers. First question is, what is the difference between fats and oil? Answer is, fats and oils are very similar. In fact, oils are the liquid form of fats. Next question is, why are fats and oils good for your body? Answer is, they are good for our nervous system. Next topic is good hygiene. Good hygiene. Eating the right food is just one part of being healthy. Another part is good hygiene. दूसरा part जो है वो good hygiene है. Hygiene is about keeping clean. Hygiene is about keeping clean. उर्दू मीन hygiene हिफाजाने सेहत. हिफाजाने सेहत. Hygiene मीन हिफाजाने सेहत. It is important to keep clean because dirty bodies attract germs and diseases. So a clean body is a healthy body. Here are some things that you should make sure you do. Let's see what are these. First is clean your teeth twice a day. This supports germs making holes in your teeth and eating away at your gums. Gums means students masude. Wash your body every day. This removes dirt that could spread diseases. यानी ये जो है रिमूव करेगी जर्म्स को जो बीमारियां फैलाते हैं. स्प्रेड मीन फैलाना, डिजीजेस बीमारियां. नेक्स्ट इज चेंज योर क्लॉथ्स. Change your clothes every day, especially your underwear. Clothes that are directly touching your skin all day can pick up germs. They need to be washed regularly. Regularly mean बाकायदगी से wash करना चाहिए. They need to be washed regularly. इनको रेगुलरली, बाकायदगी से वॉश करना चाहिए, मीन डेली. नाउ कम ऑन नेक्स्ट पेज, पेज नंबर 33. वॉश योर हेयर रेगुलरली. Dirty hair attract head lice that nest in human hair. Treat cuts and grazes when you get them. If you leave them untreated and uncovered, germs can get into your body and cause diseases. Cause mean वजह diseases, बीमारियाँ. Because you use your hands more than just about any other part of your body. दे आर ग्रेट कैरियर्स ऑफ जर्म्स. यानी हैंड्स जो हैं वो ग्रेट कैरियर और ऑफ जर्म्स होते हैं, क्योंकि ये हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं अपने हैंड्स. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू वॉश योर हैंड्स बिफोर ईटिंग, बिफोर हेल्पिंग टू prepare food, after playing outside, after using the toilet, after touching an animal, after sneezing or blowing your nose, and last one is after helping in the garden. Keep your pets clean. Now come here, keep your pets clean. Don't just make sure that you stay clean. If you have pet animals, you have to make sure they are clean as well. Not only will your animals be healthier if they are clean, they are less likely to spread germs to you. Here is activity. You have to do this activity. Write down all the things you do every day to make sure you have good hygiene. Now we will do question. First question is, what is meant by good hygiene? Answer is, a good hygiene is about keeping clean. Next question, what part does hygiene play in keeping you healthy? Answer is, it is important to keep clean because dirty bodies attract germs and diseases. So a clean body is a healthy body. Third question is, suggest 5 ways to maintain good hygiene. Answer is, clean your teeth twice a day, wash your body every day, change your clothes every day. And next is, wash your hands before and after eating. And last point is, wash your hands after using the toilet. Your homework is, you have to read page number 32 and 33 2 or 3 times, and also you have to write and learn question answers. Take care students. Allah Hafiz.